5 Best LCD Digital Notepad for Taking Notes in India. I have seen lately there is a rise in the searches for the best tablet for taking handwritten notes in India. Generally, the common features of these devices are big screen, a touch-sensitive screen, and a single button for erasing the whole writing. Best Digital Notepad for Students and Teachers in India. 1. Portable Rough Pad A Writer 10 inches with stylus. If you are for a digital notepad with a stylus, this is one of the best you can buy right now on Amazon India. This product comes with a pressure-sensitive touch LED screen. The screen is so delicate that if you draw a line, the line will be thick as much pressure you put on the screen. Kids can draw, write an essay, do maths, and even take notes when the teacher is teaching. Do you know you can certainly write over 50,000 plus times on this paperless digital notepad? This is probably the best digital notepad for teachers and students. 2. Oohoo LCD Writing Tablet cum Electronic Drawing Board with Pen. Oohoo LCD Writing Tablet with Pen. This one 9 inch in size, which more than enough screen size for most of the people. When writing or drawing something on this table, you'll feel that you're almost writing on a real paper with a pen as claimed by the manufacturer. Again, if you want to erase anything, you can do it just by pressing a button dedicated to this task. The downside of this A-writer is that it doesn't save your work, i.e. it doesn't have any memory. 3. Alepayo VQ Paperless Digital Tablet Notepad. This is another great product. No, not only I'm saying, but the people who have bought this device have praised about its performance. The screen size is 10 inch, which is excellent for writing. This also at par with some of the best products you can get at this price range. It includes child lock and the display is perfect. You can see your writing even in sunlight. 4. KinSound Portable LCD Paperless Memo Digital Notepad. This is a good digital notepad for kids. They can draw, scribble, write, etc. Adults can also use it for writing memos, checklists, and doing calculations. This is the cheapest digital notepad for drawing mentioned in this video. At this price, their product is the best, can't complain for more. 5. Profizzy LCD Writing Tablet. This digital notepad is an upgrade version of its previous version. Now this is much bigger and more durable than the previous one. It has a mammoth screen size of 16 inch, which is more than enough. Maybe it's equivalent to a physical slate. It has adopted the latest LCD pressure-sensitive technology available in the market, and one can write over 100,000 times. Battery backup is about 6 months on a single charge. Made from high-quality ABS plastic. The only LCD A-writer with erase and lock buttons mentioned in my list. Conclusion: when it comes to LCD writing tablet with memory in India, the options are very less. The above-mentioned devices are the best tablet for taking handwritten notes. In my opinion, I have found Profizzy Portable Rough Pad A-writer to be a great device for heavy work.